Hey guys, just getting on here, say hi. We had a snowstorm come through yesterday and brought about 8 to 9 inches of snow within about a 5-hour period. If you watched my previous video, we had grass the day before, and today we have snow. Got the chickens over there, they're in their coop being goofy. Daph's out here just looking over here at the frozen pond. We've got a crow over here sitting next to I don't know if you guys can see that, sitting next to our crazy goose over there that's got a broken neck. It's a fake goose, by the way. It's got a broken neck, but it's over there squawking. Daphne's out here just come out to get some fresh air. I've got to go to work here soon, so I thought I'd just kind of upload the pretty snowfall. This is lake effect snow. The lake effect snow brings like this fluffy cloud-like snowflakes. It's just absolutely beautiful. You can tell on my jacket here, really fluffy snowflakes. Look at that tree over there, isn't that beautiful? So yeah, we had grass 2 days ago, and now it's just all white. We had somebody actually get stuck in our neighbor's ditch. They come down the mountain pretty fast in a car, and I guess they passed their destination and got stuck over there in my neighbor's ditch. They had to get towed out, but they were able to get out safe, so which is good. But yeah, we're just out here. Daphne's using the restroom right now, or I'd have the camera on her. Come on, bub. I can't walk out too far because I've just got tennis shoes on, and snow will go inside my shoes, so, and the snow's pretty cold. But yeah, I gotta go to work here soon. Just wanted to get on here and say hi. Daphne's doing good. She's still under the weather a little bit with her womanly thing she's going through right now, I guess, if you want to call it that. So she's got her head buried in the snow. But we're just relaxing, about to bring Daphne back inside and get ready for work. So hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend, and we will see you later.